Yes. Next question is find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is given to you 3 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, CD is 4 centimeter again, DA is 5 centimeter and AC equal to 5 centimeter. This is your quadrilateral ABCD. Let me see. AB is given to you 3 centimeter. You write 3 centimeter. BC is equal to 4 centimeter. You write here 4 centimeter. CD is equal to 4 centimeter again. You write 4 centimeter. DA equal to 5 centimeter. You write here 5 centimeter. One more thing. AC. AC is given to you 5 centimeter. Okay. One thing to see here, 3, 4 and 5. These are here Pythagorean triplets or not, let me see. Okay, take A, B and C like this in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Let's say A is equal to 3 centimeter, B is equal to 4 centimeter and C is equal to 5 centimeter. Try to check it. A square plus B square is equal to C square is there or not? If yes, then we can say B is right triangle. Okay, A is your 3, then you can put 3 square. This is 4, you can use 4 square. This is 5, this is 9. 4 square is 16. This is 25. Here 25 is equal to 25. If these are Pythagorean triplets, it means triangle ABC is your right triangle. So we can say triangle ABC is a right triangle. If this is your right triangle, I am putting like this. This is first and this is second. Now I am going to find out area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. What I know for right triangle, half base into height or altitude. What is base? Base is 3. What is altitude or height? This is given 4. Cut 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. This is 3 to the 6 centimeter square. One student was asking, can I solve, because I have given 3 sides, can I solve by Heron's formula? Yes, definitely you can, because you have given 3 sides, you can use Heron's formula. But this is another alternative method that you know very well. But keep in mind, see, we have for second, we have 3 sides, this and this. 3 sides are given. For these 3 sides, you have to use your Heron's formula. Come on, in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD. Okay, what is small a? That is 5 centimeter. Small b is 4 centimeter. And third side C is 5 centimeter. Okay, after that we have to find out semi-perimeter equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. S is equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. Let us put value. It is given you a clearly. This is 5, this is 4 and this is 5 again upon 2. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 upon 2. This is your 7 centimeter. Okay, then what will be area? Area of triangle ACD. What is area of triangle by Heron's formula? Under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, now I am writing, see here, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay. What is S? S is given 7. What is S minus A? A is what? 5. You put 5 here. S minus B is what? 4. Put 4 here. S minus C is what? Again 5 here. 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay. What is coming? 2 will come outside because 2 is in pair. 2 into under root 21. 2 into under root 21. Now we have to find the value of square root of under root 21. See here. How to find? See. 21 like this. 2 to the 4, 6 is a 9. Okay. 4 4 is 16. 5 5 is 25 because here is 21. So 4 4 is 16. I am taking 4 here. 4 plus 4 like this. 4 4 is 16. When you subtract it, you will get 5. Here 4 plus 4 8. Decimal sign, put decimal and this 0. Okay. Now you have to check what you have to put here. It will come, its product will be near to 500, below 500. Okay, let I check. Can I take 6? 6 6 are 36, 3 48 and 3 51. It is more. It means definitely it will be 5. I am taking 5 here. 5 5 is 25, 2. 8 5 is 40 and 2 42. Here is 90. Then what will be? 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then take 2 0. Okay. If I take 7 here, 907. 7 7s are 49 and 9 7s are 63. Okay, if I take 8, let me see. 8 8s are 64. This is 8 will be the number 8. 7 2 6 4. This is 916. What will come? 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. So 4.58. Here is your 4.58. Multiply 2 8s are 16. 1. 5 to the 10 and 1 11. 1. 4 to the 8 and 1 9 centimeter square. Now what will be the total area? Area of first figure plus area of second figure. What was the area of first figure? It was 6. And here is 9.16. This is 9 plus 6, 15.16 centimeter square. This is your answer. Yes. Fourth question is, a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. One parallelogram is there, one triangle have same base. One triangle. A, B, C, D, you can mark E. Area of both is equal, it is given to you. Okay, if the sides of triangle are 26, 28 and 30 and the parallelogram stands on the base 28, it means this is 28, it is fixed. Okay, this is 26, 28 and 30. Okay, what you have to find? Find the height of the parallelogram. This you have to find. H here. First of all, we will find area of triangle with help of Heron's formula. Come on. in triangle ABE. What is A? Small a 26 centimeter, small b 28 centimeter, small c is 30 centimeter. What is S then? What is meaning of S? That is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means what? A plus B plus C upon 2. This is 26 plus 28 plus 30 upon 2. Okay. 8 plus 6, 14, 1. 3 plus 1, 4 and 4, 8. 84. 84 upon 2. Just we cut. 4 is 8, 2. This is 42 centimeter. Then after just you see, this is S. You have to find its area. What is area of triangle A, B and E? Under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. What is S? S is 42. S minus A. S is 42, no? 42 minus A is what? 26. 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 30. Like this. What will come? See, 42. Here what will come? 16. 42 minus 26 is 16. 16. This is 42 minus 28. 14. And here is 12. Then what will come? See by prime factorization. 42. Okay, 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. This is one pair. 16. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Okay. 14. 2 7s are 14 and 12. 2 to the 4. 4 3s are 12. Now explaining you again here. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 2 is there. After taking square root, how many times 2 will come? 4 times. It means 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 1 time, 2 times 3. Then after taking square root, 1 times 3 only come. This is 3. Then 7 1 times, 2 times it is there. After taking square root, only 1 time will come. This is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 into 21. 16 into 21. This is 16. This is 32. 336 centimeter square. Okay. Now what is given in question? Both have same area. It means area of triangle ABE is equal to area of parallelogram. What is the name of parallelogram? ABCD. What is area of triangle? We got it here. 336. 336. This is your base into height. This is 336. Base is 28. Height is h. Divided 336 upon 28. By 7 you can cut. See, 7 4s are 28. Then 5 will come. 50, that is 56. 7 8s are 56. After cutting this, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. H will be 12 cm. Yes, the next question is, a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. Okay, one field is in the shape of rhombus. and total 18 cows are lying in this rhombus shaped field for grazing. If each side of rhombus is 30 meter, we have given 30 meter side. See, all sides are equal in rhombus. Each side is of 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter and 30 meter. Okay, and its longer diagonal is 48 meter. Longer diagonal one, it is 48 meter. How much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Okay, so what to do? We have to find total area and then after divide by 18, then you can get the answer. Okay, for here no need to find total area. You find only when this area of first triangle ABD and that will be similar to the second, because just you see sides are equal and this side is common. Okay, we can say this area should be equal. This is side. Okay, so you have to find area of first by which? By Heron's formula. Come on. In triangle ABD, what is given? A is 30 meter, B is again 30 meter, and C side is 48 meter. What we know about it? For semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C upon 2. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Then S will be 30 plus 30 plus 48 upon 2. What will come? C? 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Yes. Then 2 5 the 10, 2 4 the 8 meter. Okay. Semi-perimeter is 54 meter. What is the area of triangle ABD? Area of triangle ABD. It means what you know? That is your Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Square root of under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Square root of S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay, what is S? S is your 54. S minus A. A was 30. What is S minus B? B was again 30. And C was 48. So 54 minus 48. Okay, now come on. 54, this is as it is. 54 minus 30. This is your 24. This is 24. Again here 24. And what will come here? This is 6. Okay, yes. Now prime factors of 54. 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and 18 3s are 54. Okay. Now I am not converting 24 in prime factors because already it is in pair. Both are in pair, so see here I am writing like it is 6, 2 3s are 6. Just you see, for removing square root, how many times 2? Just you check. 1, 2, 2 times. It means one time 2 will come after taking square root. Okay. Now check how many times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3. It means after taking square root, how many times will come? 2 times. 1 time and 2 times. 24 2 times it is there, then 1 time will come. So what will be? 2 3 are 6, 6 3 are 18. 18 into 24. 18 4s are, it is 72. 2 is here, 7. 18 to the 36. 36 plus 7. 36 plus 7. What will be, tell me? 36 plus 7. This is 43. meter square. This is your area of triangle ABD. Then what will be total area? Just we check. Total area of rhombus ABCD. So area of first figure plus area of second figure. Both areas will be equal. 432 plus 432. This will be 864 meter square. Yes, now what we got it? Total area of rhombus is 864. Now what to write? Total area of grass field for 18 cows is equal to 864 meter square. So what to find out? The area of grass field for one cow. For one cow, what to do? We have to divide it. This is 864 divided by 18. 18 1 ja 18, 18 4 ja 72. Okay, 86 minus 72, then 14 will come and 4 is also there. This will be 144. So 18 8s are 144. This is 48 meter square. It means each cow can graze the field. How much? 48 meter square.